Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your order history on the Best Buy app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your order history on the Best Buy app. Maybe you want to see what's the status of your order. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is open up the Best Buy app right over here. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on your profile name. So it's going to say your name here. Click on that. Now, afterwards, underneath account where it says purchases, click on purchases. And then this is where you're going to be able to find your past order history. So you can see your past purchases, what's ready to pick up, and what's been completed. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your order history on the Best Buy app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.